Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Nawada. Today is Wednesday. So today we will learn moments. And today what we will learn, what is the name of the chapter? That is The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde. And about Oscar Wilde, as usual, I will give everything in your video. So the Happy Prince, when we are examining the, when we will discuss the meaning of the, we will try to learn the meaning of the heading. That is two distinct words we are getting. What are those? Happy Prince. So in this story we will learn that the prince who is happy or was happy or whatever. So in this story, that the prince, he was happy when he was alive. Means when he was alive, he was happy because he was there inside his kingdom, inside the palace, and there was nothing inside the palace anything about sad, anything that is sad, anything that is miserable. So the palace was totally free of miseries and sorrows. So the prince was very much happy. But after the death of the prince, a statue was made of him. A statue was made of him, and the statue was gilded with the thin leaves of gold, and the eyes of the Happy Prince were, that means eyes means that eyes were made up of blue sapphires. That is sapphires, blue sapphires. That is a precious stone. And that prince means that he will have sword, and on the sword hilt means on the handle of the sword there was a precious stone, that is ruby. And where was the statue was kept? The statue was kept in the middle of the city, high above on a platform. It was erected over there. It was kept over there. So now that from there the Happy Prince, he could see everything, whatever is good or bad. So everything he could see from there. And in a kingdom, in a city, it is not possible that everything will be good, everything everybody is happy, everything is good, everybody is free from sorrow or sadness. So now the Happy Prince could see everything over there. A swallow, a little bird, a swallow, that he was decided to fly to Egypt. What is Egypt? Egypt is a place that is situated in Africa. And why that before 6 weeks, that all the friends of the swallow already has flown to Egypt, but the little swallow, he decided to stay over there in his own place. But after 6 weeks, when all his friends already had flown, then he also decided he also will he also will fly for Egypt, and he started flying. And that the whole day he was flying, and at night he reached to the city, that is the Happy Prince's city. And that at night he had to take rest, he had to take shelter, and he was thinking that yes, now this city is has prepared to give me shelter. What is the meaning of this? That is, the city is prepared to give the shelter for the bird. No, actually not like that. That it is the humorous way the bird was just expressing his thought. One thing you note over here, you just observe over here, that here the writer has that what is the personal pronouns used for that the little bird, the swallow. Generally we use it, but here it is used he, his, means he is that the little bird is personified over here. So the little swallow, it was looking for the shelter, and he saw the statue of the Happy Prince, and he had flown over there, and he thought that yes, it is high above the city, so it will be that if he took shelter over there, it will be very good for him. It is very clear and it is very fresh air he could get from there. So the Happy Prince had flown over there, and he just took the shelter between the 2 feet of the Happy Prince. So what was that? That the little swallow, he was thinking that yes, that the Happy Prince, it was made up of gold. Not only not gold, but the whole body was covered, gilded with thin sheets of gold. So mine is this is my golden bedroom. Why the little swallow was telling like that? Because all over where he was sleeping, he took shelter. Around that, everywhere he could see only gold, gold, gold. So that's why he told that. And that naturally that the little swallow, he was tired, so it just put his head into his wings, and he was thinking to sleep. And just then, one drop of water fell on him. Then he thought, what happened? This is rainy season, and not it is raining. So from where the raindrop is coming? So it looked up to the sky, but there was no cloud. The sky was bright, and everywhere stars were there. So second time when he was thinking that to sleep, then again a large drop of water had fallen on him. Then again he was thinking, then what is the use of this statue if it is not able to give me proper shelter? Means statue means that it will be that the little swallow, it is a very small bird. So the bird is thinking that under the statue he took shelter, and that that from rainwater it could protect him. Then the swallow was thinking, no, I will not stay over here. It is better to take shelter in a chimney. So when he was thinking that he will just fly away to a chimney to take better shelter, then third large drop of water had fallen on him. Then he looked up, and he saw a very beautiful, nice thing. What was that? The face of the Happy Prince. It was a moonlit night, and that Happy Prince's face was very beautiful, and it was that Happy Prince's eyes were filled with tears, and tears were rolling down from the golden cheeks of the Happy Prince, and moonlight was fallen on Happy Prince's face. So it was looked very nice. When the swallow looked at Happy Prince's face, then his heart was melted. That he got took pity on Happy Prince. Then he looked at Happy Prince, and he asked, "Who are you?" Then Happy Prince told, "I am the Happy Prince." So today up to here, this is a large story, and gradually we will come to know why the Happy Prince is crying and what happened to them. And that the story here is the story that though he is Happy Prince, but he is crying. So watch the video, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.